Vinit, so we can see your detailed checklist on the screen, and there are, I think, 25 plus quantitative matrices that you very well defined. Now, among this, which are the top three variables or which are the criteria that must be met without an exception, and why so?
See, I think the most important for us is the governance, and generally we have sort of not compromised on the governance because we believe that this is one factor which can make or break the whole thesis itself. And hence, the corporate governance is something where we pay a lot of attention to. While we also go wrong sometimes in our assessment, many times the uh, managements deviate from their stated objectives and defined path, and that's where we sort of then take a decision to even exit those companies where our assessment has gone wrong, or in the beginning itself if we realize that this is an area where it can be a red flag at some point, we try to avoid those type of investment. The second most important, as I was saying, is the capital allocation, because I truly feel that capital allocation decision today is going to determine your PNL over the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and that's where we try to see whether the company is taking a right decision out there. And the third aspect is the return on capital employed, because eventually what one is looking at is the yields on investment. And I keep saying that ROC is like a interest on fixed deposit, but in the equity category, what you have to focus on ROC. This number keeps varying, but till the time it is generally it has remained above a threshold. For us, the threshold right now is about 15-16%. It keeps changing with the interest rates in the economy, but 15-16% is a good ROC to work with if the company has showcased that in the past, and also has the ability to deploy capital in generating similar or better number. We like that. So I think governance, capital allocation, and ROC are, let's say, the most important aspect which we sort of look at as far as the companies are concerned.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.